Hi guys, welcome to my live stream today, April 13, 2022. It's 7:08 p.m. Philippine time. So let's start. So share ko muna. 'Di ba kahapon, ano ba yung I forgot to, BTC and near. So si BTC in-adjust ko actually from 'di ba yung adjusted entry price ko. I actually bought BTC or I long BTC yesterday at around 39,672. And then I adjusted my stop loss plus $100 from it. However, I adjusted again my stop loss to 40,000 cuz I think the buyers or the longs control are losing. So kaya nagano ako. Yeah, that's why I adjusted my stop loss to 40,000, and then um it got close at around 40,000 22. So yun, more or less done. And then near just plus 10 cents from my entry price. I also got stop out from there, but yeah, it's still at a gain. So I think that's one of the advantage naman if I'm adjusting my stop loss. So at least I still have a gain at the end or even at the stop loss area. So anyway, for today, I mean, I think after I streamed yesterday, I think around 8 or 9 p.m. Yeah, I forgot what's the exact time. But yeah, I think we're looking into Shiba. And I actually, as what I mentioned yesterday, I plan to long it at the point of control, which is around 2741. Oh, wait. Let me just take a look at it. Where is that? Yeah, 2741, a point of control. So yesterday, yesterday around night time, I think past 9 p.m. after I stream. Yeah, uh, I entered into this because I see that it's taking a momentum upwards. And there's a volume pickup on the 1 hour time frame during that time. So I watch it and eventually I entered at around that point of control, 2741. And then I use this one as the, what's this? Wait, just so. And then I use the divergence indicator as my TP and entry when it reached almost 80 something. So yeah, I think I tipped it at around 2971. So I think it went high as close to 3,000 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it's 2995 Satoshi. Anyway, let's so that what's happened yesterday. I don't know what time was it closed now, but since I already ended my stream yesterday, and yeah, I entered it, or I mean I opened it after the stream, so it's like it's also included as one of my tokens that I've traded after that stream. And then what else? Let's see what happened to here. Anyway, I that's actually a doji there. So there. Anyway, let's just there's actually a lot. Anyway, there's I think we have analyzed it yesterday on 1 day time frame. So anyway, let's see. It's actually at very critical point now. Oh, it's actually doing below or trading below that point of control. So if it did not break that, solidly break that point of control, possibly retest coming back again around this 2,200 something area. So anyway, let's see. But I hope it holds above that point of control. What happened yesterday is that Robinhood listed and some other what's that? Some other coins, I think. What's that? So that's actually the reason why it really went up yesterday. And today, yeah, it's actually been pulling or correcting a bit. So anyway, so that's my trade day after I streamed yesterday, and then this one ape coin. Yeah, I actually watched it for the day. My entry price is yesterday's point of control. Actually, above it, it's 1181. It's not the 1161 because I'm watching aside from watching the market. I'm actually watching anime too. Yeah, I just watched some anime. So yeah, but I entered a conditional order that if it hit this, then um, I set at least the 1180. So I was done at 1181 something. And then I tipped at around this area, which is I think 1235 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I was done in there. It's because yeah, it's trying hard here. So yeah, I already um, change or I mean originally my take profit is 14, which is the point of control. 14.10 is the point of control. However, my TP is around 14. However, I adjusted my stop loss since it's trying hard to break this previous resistance here. So since that previous resistance is 12.38, I was done at I think around 12.35. So anyway, so that's it. And yeah, after that, it's actually a possible bearish divergence. But at least now it's actually getting momentum back to that to retest that previous high around 1257. So anyway, let's see, is that 12? Yeah, 1257. Oh, anyway, so I already closed here and both closed. And then this one, um, um, this is actually a bullish divergence. I entered at around at 3.79. My TP is still the 430 because I traded it before around here and I was done at 430. 430. Yeah, I forgot what's my entry price. I think it's also 3.79 something. So it's still the same here, same entry again, 3.79, and then my stop loss at 370. So did it went below that? Yeah, I think not. So since not, it's still open and I'm waiting for my 430 take profit area. So anyway, let's see. So medyo ano lang ano, magulo lang. Ang kulit lang. So anyway, kanina kasi it's not yet a bullish. Hindi pa lumabas yung bull kanina eh. So at least it's a confirmed bull na kasi lumabas na siya. So minsan kasi medyo nahuhuli siya lumabas. So anyway, let's see. And then what else? Then after that, maybe let's go over, yeah, it's done. Shib, Ape, and KNC. Medyo ano lang, a bit, it says, I think my chart is quite a bit messy, no? Wait. Yeah. And I only have an alarm today as I think BTC and ApeCoin, no? Just that, and I think I need to remove that so that in case that it will alarm, it will not affect us. So maybe remove all para ano. Yes. So yeah, there's an alarm there at the previous resistance, which is the 1238. So now I think that's the 8 coin, no? So next, maybe let's go over. Medyo ano lang, ano. Maybe let's try to clear it out na lang, no? Medyo kasi ano eh, ang dami na ano. And here. Diba? Medyo i-hide nga natin to. Medyo. Now let's move on to the most actively traded. Actively traded. Yeah, maybe this one. The BTC first, and yeah, BTC. Yeah, I already closed it at 40,000. I mean, I adjusted my stop loss to 40,000 because it seems it's really trying hard, trying hard talaga. Trying hard. Yeah, wait lang. Wait. I think this one is. Although it's clinging at support, still at support, but I already closed mine. Personally, it's because it's really trying hard to really maintain, I think. But anyway, I might just look at it maybe some other time. But I already closed my long positions that I have opened around 39,672. Close at 40,000. So anyway, so for today, I think it's still the same. So currently the point of control is around 40,098 and it's currently doing below it. So yeah, it might possibly continue to trend lower. So yeah, I think it's just right for me to close my long position. Still at yeah, it's really at a very critical area at the moment. So anyway, let's see. So una muna first that it's already out of the downtrend area and is currently forming this a new uptrend. However, maybe let's try to. Since today it's currently doing below that 40,098 and I closed mine at 40,000. So I think for it to continue to trend or to trend higher, I mean for it to create this new trend, or uptrend, I think it needs to at least um, trade above that 40,098 as a developing point of control. So as long as it's either it's consolidate around this support or s- slowly move higher to that possible um, target area. So of course that first, and then possibly around that. That's the first possible scenario. However, if it break down from here, so which is the around 39, next possible resistance around the 37,600 or 30, close to 38. And please take note that the 38 is the year to date point of control. So most of the investors have or traders um, go longs at that area. So second scenario, if it break down here, where possibly that to that area. So anyway, which is the untested area around this, and this is also the possible untested area. So yun lang. So it's really actually at a very critical area. Kasi medyo ano siya eh. I think it's for me it's better to consolidate at least here or slowly move higher. However, if it break this trend support, yeah, might possibly opening to possible retest to 33. Worst case. Actually, it went even low as 28, right? But that's the worst case if ever it break down from here. So anyway, let's see how this goes. Let's try to look at the 1 hour time frame. Is there anything if we there's anything we could look into? Hidden bear. It's a hidden bear. So today is just 3 days, 3 days from the close. So it's already hidden bear and nothing much. And yeah, maybe let's try to look at the weekly chart. I just really want to check on that. Seems it's holding. So yeah, I think so. Hopefully it holds at this area and reverse this downtrend. No. So anyway, let's see how it goes in the next couple of in the next couple in the next couple of days. No. Just right now, I'll just watch it for now. And yeah, to be honest, if I compare the BTC or I mean same what's that? Same dollar value in terms of trades. Actually, the rewards of trading altcoins for me is much better. So I think that's one of the reason why for the year I'm not that much actively trading BTC. So anyway, let's see. So next, possibly what's the request is comp. Oh, APN. Let's try to check on it again. Yeah, maybe let's try to analyze it a bit. Kasi kanina it seems messy, no? Yeah. This is I actually have the highs and the lows. And that's the value high and the value low. So anyway, so basically that's the support I'm looking at around 10.65. Immediate resistance, of course, is the point of control around 14.10. And then this one is 52.99, and yeah, there is a bullish divergence over here. that, which is why that's also the reason why I go long today. One of the reasons, no? So anyway, let's see. However, yeah, hopefully it's trade above this area, no? So anyway, let's see, which is hopefully it trade above this 12.18 developing point of control. What's my TP here? No, I adjusted my stop loss at 12.35 because yeah, it's trying hard and there's actually I see a bearish divergence a while ago, so I adjusted my stop loss area. Anyway, let's see. But I think maybe in the next couple of days, well, I hope to see it at around 14 or even at 17.46. So anyway, let's see how it goes. If this continues, of course, if continues this or break out within this consolidated area. So anyway, so let's see. So that's just it. Kasi it's this the 1 hour, no? So let's just delete that. That's actually the 1 hour divergence. So yeah, if I trade it again, I would possibly go long after it reach that or it breaks that 12.18 developing point of control, and then possible TP is the 14.09 and possible stop loss at the previous days um, point of control or session volume. So next is ano pa ba? May nag-ano pala. It's comp. Have I trade this one? I think no. For last year, um, can't remember. But I think I haven't traded this yet, in my opinion. I also don't have any holdings on it. Let me just check a bit. That's the low is 80, no? What's is the low? Wait, I don't know what's the low of it. But sometimes it depends on the exchange you're using. But if you try to check on it, it actually resists at the point of control around 167 here. So, which is, no, not this one. Diba? It resists at around point of control. So anyway, let's see. Let me just check the lowest price. 61.27 Dow based on coin market cap 61. So this might not possibly be complete. I don't know what's the complete one. Maybe let's try to use Kraken 61. Oh, still almost the same as 80. How about this one? It's also 81. How about this? Oh, not that. How about this one? But it went low as here 79 only. So what's with that opening? The first day. Wow. Wow, really? It went as high as 2,000. But it's just a week now. Sometimes, yeah, it's really very volatile for the first day, you know. So since the lowest here is 79, maybe let's possibly use this one. But the lowest, according to coin market cap, is it went low as 61. I just can't find the right trading or the right exchange where it went to that area. But here they're actually using the average price. So possibly, I don't know, possibly we might see a divergence over there, which is, yeah. So we'll just use that as our support area, which is the 93, around 93, no? So let's try to use that as, oh, did I click it? Let me just check on it. Oh, but hmm, it's actually much different, no? A while ago, the point of control using Binance Exchange, because of this, because of that, no? Um, according to Binance Exchange chart, this is the point of control, right? So it actually, the point of control, it also depends, no, on the exchange that we're analyzing. But what's the biggest exchange according to a value here? Let's just check it a bit, and then possibly let's use that. But anyway, it resists more or less. That's also, we'll just say that also the next. More or less, that's the point of control next. So the value is over there. So maybe let's just use that also as, yeah, most of the value is there. So wait, let's just change it a bit. I think we use the, what's the others? Yeah, I think this. I'm not sure. Yeah, I think this one. Yeah, we'll just check on it. The um, oh, it's almost still under trading view, comp trading view. Because I think I saw something like that a while ago. Yeah, this one. Yeah, I remember. So, because I put an arrow, marker, ano, down. So, there you go. So, it also depends, no, on the chart that you're looking at. So, as much as possible, select the one with the volume. So, here, as you can see, the point of control is the around 167, in which case it served as a resistance. So, there. And possibly there might be a divergence over there. Possibly. Let's try to check. Yeah, there is. Because if you don't, so we'll use that as our support area. So which is around close to low, which is what's that? Around 93. 93 area, and it's, and I'm just checking. The next one is here. Because really at this area, there's really a lot of pressure now already. So anyway, let's see. But I think with it, since it's already almost at its low, I think it's time for me personally, if I really wanted to, might possibly accumulate if I really plan to hold it long term. Normally, long term for me is at least 1 year. So that's the next resistance I'm looking at. Yeah, I'm actually looking around this, the next. So it's actually there's still a lot of resistance for it to break. No, I'm trying. Yeah, there, possibly there. Yeah, let's just form a. So yeah, seems like it's already at. Yeah, I'm checking. No, no, no. And then, what's the next one? It's because the bull is have been hide it. They hide it a bit. So at least it's clinging above that support area, RSI or divergence indicator, and it's yeah, doji. Yeah, there. I'll just look for ano. So there you go. The doji part, and then that. So depending on your plans, but yeah, if I'm gonna trade it on a short term or on a swing trade, I might possibly not trade it. Why? It's because the resistance over here and the support that I'm looking at might not be that. The immediate support and resistance that I'm looking at is not actually that rewarding, because I think that more or less this is just a risk reward ratio of at least 1. The immediate support and resistance. So just 1.38, so might possibly not trade it on a short term note. However, on a long term note, since it's already at its low, possibly that's the bottom already. The 61 is the bottom, right? But based on this chart, we cannot see that chart where it went at 61. So we'll just use this as as ano. We'll just use this one, because the coin market cap is normally average of all the exchanges that where it is listed. So anyway, since Binance have most of the volume, so I think let's just use it. So I think on a long term note, wait, let's just check. Parang pangit naman ng ano niya. Yeah, just checking. So ano, so let's just use this. It's and possibly this. Right, so let's just use this one. And as much as I want to use that point two, it seems um and since it's holding at almost at support, and also at after this um trend resistance, which also becomes the support area, I think most likely I might possibly what's that might possibly buy it. And yeah, personally my target, more or less, this ones, if this is quite more or less at least 1 year hold, no, because I think this ones might not be that Diba? Oh, wait, let's try to look at this. How many months? Yeah, there's this one. So 189, so for next 6 months. That's even short, no? That's not even a long term for me, no? So more or less at the minimum, I'm looking at around at least 449 as my possibly medium term target, no? But of course, it need to break out at the point of resistance, point of control around that 167. So I think that's the very key there. And then the next strong resistance I'm looking at is the 174, which is this area. And then possibly that 449. I actually use where most of the transactions have happened as a support or resistance. So I think that's it for me. And at least it's also, yeah, and holding above divergence indicator support. So how about the EMAs? Let's just check on it. So and about to kiss, no? Does it kiss? Not yet, but it's almost just a few. Or wait, let's try to check on it. No. It's not about to kiss, but it's pointing lower, no? So it might possibly retest pa. Hmm. Pangit pala, no? Yeah, nagre-resist siya dito din eh. On a daily, no? On a daily notes. Currently doing, yeah, and it's even below, no? So I think, yeah, it might possibly be dependent also on how BTC is currently trading. So yeah, might since the developing point of control is, I mean the current value today is 120. Current trading value is trading below that developing point of control. I might wait a bit because it might possibly retest this 93 support area that I'm looking at, or at least this previous support around 115, because it holds on that, no, yesterday, which is that 115. And then next is the EMAs are actually even pointing lower, so might continue to pull back a bit. And then though it's already out of the downtrend area and seems it's holding at this previous resistance, now it's becoming the support area. So possibly retest, which is just close to this area, no, around that 115 area. So basically, anong gagawin ko dito? I might wait a bit because, yeah, to at least trade above the point of control and close above the point of control for today. Because, yeah, di ba? Normally at least three candles for it, for a confirmation on a daily time frame, or even the hourly or lesser time frame. Normally it's at least three bullish candle. So tignan mo, it's also been pulling back. Nagko-correct pa rin siya. And yeah, for me, I'll just rather set the 131 as the immediate was it alert area for me to trade this. If I'm watching it, no? Or maybe I'll just wait for tomorrow close, no? However, yeah, it is reward. On short term note or on a swing trade, I might not possibly trade it, but on a long term, yeah, the possible target I'm looking at is the 449 really, because I think that might more or less than even 1 year. So it's just a medium term hold, and possibly the strong support I'm looking at around that 93 area, which is around this area. So I think if I'm gonna measure that to that my target around 449, then I can possibly wait. So depending on your plan. So next, hello, grabe si BTC ano. For the ewan ko ba, ayaw ko tuloy i-trade si BTC. Inaano na pati na si, pati na yung iba, no. Siyempre, pag si BTC kasi bumaba, most of the most of the crypto are actually pointing uh, or going down. So it's another red. And aside from that, sabi ko nga it's a holiday. So anyway, so ganun talaga. Kailangan nila mag-cash out. Cash out kasi nga holiday eh. Kaya hindi rin ako masyadong nag-trade for today. Kaya kanina nanood ako ng anime. Anime talaga. Kasi nung nakaraang Sunday yata. Sunday kasi nilalabas, no? Every Sunday, no? Hindi ako nakapanood. So, kaya nanood ako kanina habang nagwa-watch ako ng altcoin at saka sino pa yung isa. Si altcoin at saka sino lang ba yung na-trade ko pang isa. Tatlo sila eh. Si KNCT, medyo hapon na kasi. And then, si Shiba nung kagabi naman kasi yan. So, si altcoin lang mostly ang chine-check ko. At saka, syempre, yung pinapanood ko. At saka, one of the reasons why kasi sabi ko nga is mostly I'm holding altcoins kasi the dominance of BTC is really I think it might possibly go even lower, no? It's actually resist at around 44 and might retest coming around that 39%. Worst case, of course, the 35%. But I think over the long term, the altcoins might take over, no? Mas malilesen pa yung percentage ng BTC. But for now, medyo ano na din eh. So yeah, just choose which altcoin will actually dominate the market. So anyway, let's see. At saka point of control niya, hindi niya nga kayang ano. Oh, wait, let's check all. Check ko lang all. I think that's all. So the point of control is actually at 42%. So which is currently below it. So anyway, let's see. I love trading altcoins. I'm altcoiner. Hindi ako bitcoiner, but of course I started at accumulating BTC. Kasi syempre naman first mover si BTC, di ba? So anyway, pa bang pwede nating tignan? Wala na ako masyadong tinitignan pa eh. Kasi I'm set on ano din, waves. What happened to waves? And even near. Yeah, I might possibly stop out here. 370. Did it went below that? Oh, not yet. Not yet. But it's getting there. Anyway. So, ganun lang talaga. Even Shiba on market. Looks. Yeah, I was looking at looks eh. However, I did not trade it today. So, BTC, I mean ETH is doing good. So, I think wala na masyado. Wala na kasi ako masyadong tinitignan pa eh. Ano pa ba ang mga tinitignan ko? KNC, possibly. At least hindi pa ako na-stop out. Shiba. Might pull back a bit. Yeah, nagkaroon lang kasi siya ng volume because of the new listing, but I think yeah, I'll just pull back a bit and then retest coming to that uh, around 3,000 to 3,500 Satoshi. No? What's this? No, it's 8 coin. Si 8 coin naman, yeah, at least if it holds above this developing point of control, might continue to trend and retest the 14.10. 14.10 talaga yung ano ko tinitignan ko So, actually, yan din yung target profit ko. It's just that, syempre, since nawa-watch ko siya, kaya, nag-ano ako, nag-TP muna ako. But, anyway, baka pag nawa-watch kay, TTP muna kapag ano. Ang kulit lang Ang papangit na no? Ang papangit na nun pa ba? Ayan, uy, tingnan nga natin tong nangyari kay Axie. What happened to here? Wait, let's just remove it and yeah, I want to make a new one. Oh, let's just hide the volume. Medyo ano. Okay. Nag-ano siya. Nag-resist din siya at point of control, no? Around 67. And it's actually doing at almost, diba? Almost support, no? So anyway, let's see kung mag-hold na siya dyan. Around 43, no? Wow, 43 to ano? Ano na? Pero yun nga lang. I don't know kung mag-ano pa ba siya dito. Yeah. Let's see if it holds. But I think previously naman nag-hold siya So might possibly hold around this 43 area. So immediate support at 43. Immediate resistance at point of control which is the $67. So I think yun lang muna kasi after nun, after that $67 is the 100 plus the one that I'm looking at kasi after that dito muna 70 more or less dyan 67 to 75 and then possibly doon sa 128 ginagamit ko yung visible range as my support and resistance so anyway siguro yeah I think I'll wait it a bit baka next week na lang din ako mag-trade kasi I think it's the market is too thin talaga kasi nga madaming magbabakasyon. So, I think over the next few days, medyo hindi ganun ka-exciting, no? Diba? So, anyway, yeah, Axie. So, immediate support at 43. Immediate resistance at 67 to 75. However, I'm still looking at this 35. I don't know if it breakdown at that 43 area I'm looking at. But yeah, we'll just set that out if ever it gonna break down. Grabe wait lang Check nga natin. From the support to that, check ko lang this one. So ano na yan? Okay, maybe let's just use that. Let's just use this. Sa fib niya So, 786, yung 36, 36 to 35. And then, nag-resist siya at 618, no? More or less. Pero above, at least, above dun. So, anyway, let's see. Kakalabas lang ng ng, I don't know, how's the origin effect? Origin effect. Kasi ako naglalaro niya ito So, anyway. So, if kung sana okay, so sana nag-ano na siya. But, yeah, since the market is thin, might possibly even trade lower or retest the 43. So, anyway, let's see. Wala ka nang masyadong makomment Tinitignan ko eh. Ako mag-hold siya dito. Possibly, magkakaroon siya ng divergence. But it's already at 37 RSI. Pero nag-low siya as low as this eh. As low as 25 eh. So, posible pang umaba depending on how the market goes, no? So, anyway, ano pa ba? Let's check on what's trending pala. So, on Spotlight pala. Spotlight near. What happened to near? Oh, this is more on something spot. No? Near protocol. Wait, let's check on it. I actually traded that a few days ago. So, yeah, it's almost reached the all-time high, no? I'm actually expecting a possible double top. However, it did not reach that 20. It went as high as 1979 if I'm not mistaken. And then, yeah, my personal position during that time, I actually adjusted my trailing stop 1.32 from before 20. So I got stop out at 18.47 if my calculation is right. 19.79 plus 1.32. So yeah, 18.47. So ganun yung nangyari sa akin dito kay near. So it's actually a possible bearish engulfing, no? Wait, yeah, it's a possible bearish engulfing. Dito pa lang possible bearish na yan, no? Kasi it's a doji. I don't like how it, wait, let's try to remove it and yeah, so that it's might be a clean. If I hide this one, yeah, that's a lot more better. But normally I'm using that one in the session on a daily, on my swing trades. But anyway, let's just use this one. I think it's a lot cleaner, ano? Pag wala pala yung session. Kasi nga everyday meron siya, no? But this one already is already a possible bearish, ano? On a daily time frame, no? I just really don't like how it, because there's already a selling pressure, no? And it did not even break the previous high. So, yan. Kaya ako nag-market trailing stop. I think it's, yeah, just 132 before it reached the 20. Eh. That's why I changed my market trailing stop because to negative 1.32. So, anyway, it here, that one, this is a point of indecision there. Both pala, no? So, just neutral. Neutral naman talaga. And then bearish. And yeah, today possibly a bearish engulfing, no? So anyway, let's see how this might go. So the support I'm looking at, because previously it holds around at least this area, no? Wait. I did not click it. But normally I'm gonna possibly use that 14, something close to 14, which is the point of indecision, which is also, this is a doji. Diba? This is also a doji. Oh. So anyway, let's see how it goes. So retest might possibly coming to around 14 area. And the point of control here is, wait, let's see. This is the perpetual one, so around $10. If you try to look at it, it's also on that. Yeah. So let's see if this one holds, no, around $15.